What's good, guys? Today was a very good day. As you can see, I posted a reel showing the trades. I took three trades today: one Ethereum, one BTC, and one on silver. All three right now are in profits. I'm currently out on all three. I have like one more position running in BTC, aiming for 74k there about, just seeing how much more it could drop. But I've currently closed out the rest of them around here. But yeah, let's get to the breakdown. I'll do a separate video for silver, but I'll do BTC and Ethereum right now since they're both crypto, I guess. So yeah, let's start out on the weekly, I believe. Yeah. So on the weekly, you can see we're trending bullish buys. Price came back below this level. Remember, this level right here was a level where price was trying to see what it wanted to do. There were buyers and sellers here. Here there were sellers. There were buyers above this level, and there were sellers below this level, and sellers below this level. So that when price was at a standstill, eventually broke here, giving us that indication. When it corrected, it didn't continue, it just broke through. Cool, no problem. Price broke through and gave us some highs. This is another set level of buyers right here. This doesn't really matter, I'm not getting to mark it out, but price came to correct and eventually broke back below this original indication level low. So below this level, I'm anticipating price to sell from this level all the way down here, because that's where sellers were last time, from this low all the way down here. So you see, so price already shows a sign that it wants to start selling, and this is the second round right here. Cool, let's keep that in mind. Keep this in mind. So now we go down to the daily. I can see on the daily we're trending bearish, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. All these mini fractal highs, but I still counted them because, like, I mean, they're still valid. Anyway, the fuck. Anyway, yeah, we have these highs right here. We have these highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. Now price is correcting back to this high. Cool. Keep that in mind. Now I can see that this level also coincides with the weekly level. This level right, this is the low we corrected into. So you can mark that out if you want to. That's here. Go down to the 4 hour. You can see price swept the high but never closed above it, so we're still bearish. This is a high, low, lower high, and now price has given us a lower low, meaning that we flip bearish. And we're also below this level as well. Yeah. So yeah, price didn't want to break above this level. I kept on giving us highs, lower highs, more lower highs, more lower highs, but didn't want to break this level as well. So I just marked it out. Okay, price is not trying to go below this level, and once price closes below there, I know, okay, yeah, we are trying to sell. We're trying to like go very bearish. Now, what did price do? Price finally broke below, and now wait for price to give me a proper retracement back to this level before I dump again. So this is the 4 hour. 4 hour broke below the low. We can go down to the 1 hour time frame. Cool. Well, the 1 hour time frame now, price retraces back into this level, and what does it do? It doesn't make any more bullish momentum. If you look at this right here, Let's mark this out as green or something else. If you look, price bought all the way here, sold down here, bought all the way here, sold down here, bought all the way here. So now in this range. Now price tried to buy back, but it couldn't, and eventually broke through here. Boom. As soon as price broke through here, I was like, okay, this is New York session. We are literally about to flip bearish. Let me hop in. But I was in my 30 minutes on this time. At this time, as you can see, price stopped here, bought all the way back here, and was trying to think of what to do. So price broke below, retraced a bit, and I saw that it wasn't trying to close back inside this level. So I sold. I kept my stop loss all the way up here just in case price decides to do something stupid, you know. And now I am selling. This is my TP1. Yeah, this is my TP1. This is my TP2. This is my TP3. All the way down here. But yeah, let's see. I've already closed out most of these trades. I just have like one more position running in BTC. This setup was a little bit more complicated and advanced, but then this should make sense. I feel like most of the time when I do trade recaps, a lot of my trades are very different. But general idea is with ICC is you want to just know that whenever price isn't forming higher highs and higher lows, price is turning bearish. Whenever price is not forming lower lows and lower highs, price is turning up bullish. Here, price was trending bearish, highs, lows, higher low, equal highs basically. Lower high, lower high, lower high, broke below this level. Come on. Like, come on. That is clear as day. Retreat back. A new lower high. Sold off. Boom. We are extremely bearish. And that's literally what it is. That's how I took the trade. So, yeah. Still don't get it. Just ask any questions in the comments and I'll reply to them. But yeah, let's hop into the Ethereum trade recap. Yeah, my charts look like dog shit, but then don't worry, I'm gonna explain. So we go to the daily. You can see price has been trading very bearish. Selling from here, sell, sell, sell. This was the last major selling point. Price corrected into it. Boom. I got to my 4-hour. I see that this level right here was a very strong resistance level. That price, strong support level that price broke through to form resistance. So price eventually corrected back into it. Price sold off from here all the way back. I was looking for sales around there, to be honest, but I couldn't find. But price came back. So when price came back above this level, I was looking for buys on the 30-minute. Because price, look at this, nice indication. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Like, but it was very bullish. So I bought and I got stopped out. This was like on Friday. So cool. Got stopped out, got a new indication, bearish. Boom, price came in. Price came back into this level. What did price do? As soon as it closed within this level, I scaled out to my 30 minutes again. Like I always say, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Scaling down to your fucking 30 minutes. Like it's not that deep. Now, this was New York session, right? Cool. Price broke out, gave the first breakout with a fair value gap. Very key detail with the fair value gap. It rejected off the fair value gap, right? Price rejected off the fair value gap to still be bearish. I was going to sell here, but then as soon as this candle closed, price really rushed up and I just sold right here. Like as soon as price break down, very lucky to get in here. But ideally I'd have sold right here. But price gave me the opportunity to sell from here. So I sold from here. I just my stop loss at this candle. I was like, there's no point, there's no reason price should even go above this candle. So I just kept it here and I aimed for the bottom where buyers kept kicking in. And it was literally like a second trade, like 3 RR immediately, very clean, very nice. ICC all the way. And now we have a new bearish indication level right here. Boom. I'll go out to my 1 hour to refine it more. And now I'm looking to sell again from this level all the way down. It's literally just that. Rinse and repeat, guys. Rinse and repeat. Sorry, my charts look shit, but it should make sense. It should make sense. Now, what else? Silver. I want to do everything in one trade, man. In one video, man. Yeah. This was the third trade I took today. But I had this since Friday, actually. I closed my trade around here because of this level. Price kept up kind of respecting it, and I didn't like that. And I was just satisfied with my profits for the day. I already had a very good one on BTC, Ethereum, and silver. So I was like, man, fuck it. I'll just take my profits and leave. But let me break this down. Remember, 4 hours is king. What's happening at 4 hour? Buys, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. I mean lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. Boom. Just last place buyers took off above this level. So I marked it out. Boom. Price came in on the 1 hour. Boom. As soon as it came in, it closed back above immediately. So I knew, yeah, I'm buying. That's the main reason I bought. Just based off backtesting, I know that once price closes within the level and then closes back above on the next candle, the chance of it is like it's like a 20% chance to get to come back below this level. So I just bought immediately. But if I still break it down using my trading strategy, the one I taught you guys with 30 minutes breakout on the second time, price closed here. It's gone out to 30 minutes. Boom. Price gave one breakout, retraced, give another breakout here, right here. Boom. We'd have entered right here. Still the same entry I took. Literally still the same entry. I aim for what? Aim for this high. The only reason why I'm aiming all the way up here is because of my fib tool. I'm only using my fib tool for like profit targeting. So this is 27% level. Very, very high chance it's going to hit that TP. And I'll still send a screenshot to you guys when it does, because I know it will. And yeah, I've used this for years, literally, like I said years. I've literally for like 2 years max. I've used this for months. But yeah, that's a trade breakdown, guys. I just think it's so simple, honestly. And I have a very strong psychology video to drop for you guys, probably tomorrow or next tomorrow. I recorded it already. I'm just trying to polish it a bit. But yeah, this is a trade recap. I'm putting way more effort to spreading size knowledge, because I can't be the only one that knows this. Like, this is so easy, not gonna lie. But in a bit, guys, signing out. Goodbye.